It is very comfortable out there, and it is going to be another warm and rather breezy afternoon, much like yesterday, but winds not quite as gusty. By noon today, we're in the lower 70s, plenty of sunshine around, and as we get into the late afternoon, I'm forecasting a high of 81. The record is 82, so I think we stay just shy of the record, but it's possible that we do get there this afternoon. So we are on record watch again for today and on into the evening. Still dry and comfortable. Any plans that you may have? Harvest night still going on through November 3rd. It is going to be a pleasant evening to be outdoors. Still breezy. Temperatures by 9 o'clock we're right around 70. Even by 11 o'clock we're still in the upper 60s. Gusts today will be in the range of about 20 to 30 miles per hour out of the southwest. Yesterday they reached up to 40 miles an hour, but they will pick up again as we get into Halloween tomorrow morning, and I'd say gusts up to 45 miles an hour will be possible, especially in the late morning hours on into the early afternoon. This is when that line of showers and potentially thunderstorms will be coming on through. And even once that passes, we'll still stay rather breezy as we head on into the evening as well. Satellite and radar, we are quiet. No rain in our forecast for today. The showers we're going to see tomorrow are well off to our west ahead of a front that's going to be moving across the region today. It arrives tomorrow, and with the storm chances, some of those could be on the strong to severe side. So the Storm Prediction Center does have part of the state under a marginal risk of severe weather. That's a low level 1 of 5. But it's not 0, so that chance is there, and if we were to see anything of that nature, we would be more concerned about damaging winds. That would be the threat we see with any strong storms. Futurecast brings those showers in after we get past daybreak tomorrow, so by about 7, 8 a.m., and then reaching its peak coverage as we get towards the lunch hour. This is 11 a.m., and then get that leading edge of storms that would bring that potential for some of those to be on the strong side. We'll see temperatures in the upper 60s, low 70s tomorrow, and this will start clearing out as we head through the afternoon. But here we are at 5 o'clock as trick-or-treaters are getting ready. Some of those trick-or-treat times start at 5:30, and we could still see a few spotty showers off in our eastern and southeastern counties. So if you live in these locations, just be aware you might need to take some rain gear with you as far in the form of a rain jacket tomorrow evening, because we will be seeing the potential of a few stray showers. Still kind of gusty. I wouldn't recommend the umbrella. Temperatures as we head into the weekend for those Swifties will be more seasonal. We cool things down, a high of 60 degrees on Friday, 63 on Saturday. Both great days. Sunday we do bring back some widely scattered showers around, and as we get into early next week, we are right back into the 70s.